What is up, guys? Welcome back to one of my videos. Today we got an unboxing video. I will be taking a look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is what came in. Some Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and then a Galaxy Watch Ultra. So we'll go ahead and take a look at all that. First thing we're going to look at is this Galaxy case. So it's a silicone case. This is a Samsung one. This is one that I had purchased through them. Little promo thing that pops up when you are finishing up, and I figured, you know what, got a nice phone, I might as well protect it with a nice case. So a pretty decent case there, just kind of like a little plastic one. Don't remember how much it was. It gives you instructions on how to install it, but that is the case. Next, I got a screen protector, anti-reflecting film. So I did get a screen protector. One of the things that I noticed was the current phone that I have now, phone constantly going in and out of the pocket, and it does get scratched up fairly easily. So looks like some instructions on how to install it and that sort of thing. Looks like it does get a little high-tech on installing. So there is that. The screen protector should be in here. Let's just take a quick look. So yeah, there's actually two of them in there, and they're just films. They're not like the glass. They're just kind of a screen protector material. And now we are getting down to the good stuff. We got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just go ahead, take a quick second, check out the box, little art that they have on there. Kind of taking a second and admire that. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung on this side, UPC information there. So we got the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and let's go ahead and start off by ripping these seals. Always nice and satisfying. Get to rip those. So there we go, and just like that, there is the phone. We'll take a look inside the box first. Inside we do have some information here. We got the little SIM-eject tool. We'll go ahead and open this up. Got our charger in here, and then some reading information, a quick start guide, terms and conditions. So charger, no block, but that is to be expected nowadays. Go ahead, and the back of the box is empty. Take a look here. So the back side, these things stick out quite a bit. So you guys can see that they stick out quite a ways. The cameras, so that's kind of been a thing for a while now, but they do stand out quite a bit. It's nice and like flat, and then it's got like more or less more squared corners than some other phones. So it's got some branding on the back, the Samsung logo here. Here we got the volume up, down, and the power button. Taking a look at the top, little couple holes for some sort of sensors. Taking a look at the other side, the digital SIM is over here. We actually have an S Pen on this one. We have a speaker, charging port, and then a tray there. So go ahead, and the little S Pen comes out. And we'll go ahead and now peel the top here, the sticker. Get that sticker out of there, and look at that nice big clean screen all the way around. So that is pretty cool. Come back to the S Pen, so that is pretty awesome. I'm gonna go ahead, set that off to the side. We'll check out the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Something that I'll hopefully start using a little more often. I did have some of the older ones that I use, but I'm just kind of getting tired of them. They kind of wear out quick, and time to upgrade definitely. So here we go. This is going to be some reading information. We do have a charging cord in here as well, so that is pretty cool. And inside they do also come with some different size of the earbud tips, if you want to call them, little rubber pieces, so you can get small, medium, and large. I believe they come with the medium ones on there, and they got a large and a smaller version if you need them. So there is that, and then some reading papers down there in there as well. We'll get that out of here. Find your perfect fit, kind of a little bit of the information there. We'll go ahead, open this up, and take a look. So look at that, kind of gives it more of like an iPhone, like the AirPod look with this type of case, but definitely a cool design, more sleek, kind of triangular type straight lines versus rounded over. So that is quite interesting. So there we have that, left and a right. These are interchangeable, these rubber pieces, right and left, and they are color coded. So when you go to put them back, you get them back into the right slot. So that is pretty cool there. Similar to Apple's way of doing it, open and close like that. So overall, pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using them. So that is cool. And then one of the things that I typically normally do not rock would be a watch. Here we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. This is just the one that they promoted with this watch when it was coming out. So we'll go ahead and rip into this guy as well. 47mm LTE. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. The little image there. Some info, top, bottom. Let's go ahead, open this up, and see what all comes in the box. It's not wanting to come out. So we go. Top is now empty. Looks like we got the watch in here. We got a band in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the band. So the bands will be interchangeable, and I'm sure there will be plenty of aftermarket ones. So these are just kind of like an active sports watch, orange in color. When I was pre-ordering this, I don't think it gave me an option. It just kind of said, hey, it comes with this orange color, and you get what you get. So, you know, I'm assuming some people that don't pop as much or not as flashy will probably want to get a different color other than orange. So like I said, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of aftermarket options available. And here is the watch. Let's go take a look, see what comes inside this box. I'm going to guess there's going to be some paperwork and a charger. So we do have paperwork in this first portion, the top compartment. And if you take a look at the bottom, I believe it's going to be a charger. Let's go ahead and slide that out. And yes, it is. It's going to be a charger. And there is nothing else left in there. And then just taking a look, nothing else in this box. It's going to be empty. And here is the watch itself. That is pretty cool. Really high-techy looking. So some dials and stuff to look into. So it's going to be pretty cool. Little speaker, I believe, to hear. And then you can go ahead and I'll have to find out how these install, what buttons you got to click to get them in. I'll just push it. That's pretty cool. So there we have it. That is my kind of unboxing. Pretty cool. Some nice techie gadgets. Everything kind of looking to upgrade. You know, I've never did very much of the wearables, so I'm going to be using the watch a little more often, and then we're going to go ahead and rock the pros here. And then the highlight is going to be rocking the new phone. Did get a case screen protector, so I'll have to get that stuff installed and be rocking this guy. So there you guys have it. That is my quick unboxing video, quick take a look. I will do some tutorial videos on the Ultra, so if you're interested in those, go ahead and stay tuned, subscribe, follow along. And just want to thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.